Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Shireen. How are you?
I'm doing great. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Teresa from Mizoram.
Wow, that's beautiful. What is the most impressive things that you have done to impress your crush?
First of all, I don't try to impress anyone, I attract. So, I haven't done anything embarrassing enough to impress anyone.
Okay. What do you do for living?
I am a businesswoman and a content creator. Being an influencer is my side hustle.
How much salary do you expect from your future husband?
I don't expect any money from a man if because I'm independent enough to get things on my own, and even if he doesn't earn anything, I'll give it to him. I'm good with
Wow.
it.
You're the sugar mommy, huh?
No, I'm not like that. I won't be a sugar mommy, but it's like I don't expect anything from a man. Yeah.
You said that you're from Mizoram, but then your face does not look like from Mizoram, like somewhere from Russia.
Oh no, I'm from Mizoram. Mizo ngei ka ni e chi bai vek ule.